So right now we're at the shop, special delivery. I don't know how many years in the making this was right here, but you guys have seen me talk about these for years, like literally years.
To where you almost just cap it all the time.
Like you're saying, well, I would never really buy them, right? Oh, I
feel you.
bought them.
I don't blame you though.
All right, man, I can't believe. Literally, I think it's been like at least 5 years. I sold mine to Sneakerhead in the Bay.
Yeah,
you guys,
stupid deals.
3,700. Now they are back, guys. Shout out to Kenshi in Toronto. They definitely hooked these up.
I'm excited for you, man. Let's do it.
All right, Kenshi, Toronto. Check them out.
Look at the dust bag though, man.
And here they are. Oh my God, they are actually crispier than I even thought they would be. These are, wow.
Look at this. What, worn once with sole protectors?
Yeah, worn once, so it's like pretty sticky at the bottom. So that's why he was like, I think the guy wore sole protectors.
Nothing like the shade of
I got my, man, huge shout out to you guys. Always thank you guys for the support. You know, like everybody was tagging me in like for sale posts. Yeah. I saw a lot of dead stock ones, but they were more like 11K, 12K. You guys see these yet? We got a staff reaction right here.
Wow.
You had a pair, right?
I had a pair. This is probably my biggest regret all time. I sold these for I sold them for 3,500 to go to the Philippines.
A lot of people were saying you're crazy for that, but you know, it was a memory. It was a memory.
Yeah, my girl's Filipino.
Oh yeah, they were also like, oh, is Brandon Filipino?
No. Not far from that.
That boy went to the resorts though. He went to the resorts though.
They're crispy, huh?
Wow.
Like you know, like you've seen worn pairs. Sometimes
there's
you can
no
just
paint
feel.
chips. Do you plan on rocking these?
Oh, got to, man. That's what makes it super easy because they're worn once. You know what I mean?
Check these out, man. These are
my hands are clean.
Wow. Hey, yeah, hands are clean.
You shout out to Kenshi, a dream sneaker of mine. Obviously, like
best Nike all time.
Oh, it ain't even a question. Just please do not retro these. You know how there's kind of some rumors?
Yeah. So we got the reimagined in at the shop, and then we have the free throws, 88s. Just kind of comparing the leather and just like the different cuts of the cement. The biggest change for me is the tongue. You see like the red lining on the 88s, and they took that away on these ones.
Shoe of the year already.
2023.
Solid. That's heavy. I don't know.
They just did such a great job of like, just, you know, you forget about anything, all the retros before this. Damn. When it comes to white cementers. But no, the details are crazy how they, you know, they definitely
look at the tongue.
really try
Way
to mimic the
different,
OG.
huh? Lace locks are even cream compared to like a gray.
Look how bold the Nike Air is in the back.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's huge.
But this one's like super thin, and this is like the OG, like
14 pairs.
for sure.
Those are dangerous. Those are. Woo.
Man, off foot. I'm not gonna lie.
Wow, those are.
Oh my God.
Can't beat it.
Literally, now you went down a little bit. Hey, we gotta get you a pair, man. We gotta get you.
Oh my God.
All right, guys, so this Friday, 11 a.m. Pacific time sharp, I'm going to be going live on my Whatnot. Make sure you guys follow me, Richie Le 23. We're going to be going live. Each auction starts at $1. Tons of giveaways. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Whatnot platform, it is an auction-based community app where everybody is on there selling collectibles, sneakers, vintage, you name it. And there's just a ton of variety that you guys could choose from. If you guys hit that link in the description box below, you guys will actually get $10 off your first purchase. It could be for any auction. All right, we've been auctioning a ton of things that you can't normally buy from stores and whatnot, you know, RLC samples, some rare sneakers and whatnot, and things have been flying for deals. All right, so make sure you guys tune in. We are going to be going ham. Let me go over some of the items that we will be auctioning off, but if you guys want clear details on everything that will be auctioned off, make sure you guys look in the description box below. I will have a list. Plus, if you go on the Whatnot app, you can see the auction and then it will actually show everything itemized. But yeah, let's go over a couple of these. So we got the Oakley sunglasses right here, basically the Mahomes. I don't know how much retail is. I think it was maybe $300 or $400 for these. Boom. Let me just leave these on for a second. What else we got? We got the Chelsea sneaker boots. If you guys missed out on these, we actually got a size 10 right here, packaged up, never worn, in the taupe colorway. We got a pair of the Percocets. These were gifted to me from Tan, but they're a little bit too big. I think they're around size 9, but these will be auctioned off. What else we got? Oh, you don't see these too often. Let me take these off, you know, a little dark. We got the Acronym Prestos in the olive colorway. What else? We got some Rude swim trunks. We got some Visvums brand new right here in the gray colorway. Very clean, cool gray, brand new. Retail for these is like $850 or $900. We got some Kobe Protros right here. Also, we're gonna be giving away a ton of things. But yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Make sure you guys tune in this Friday, 11 a.m. Pacific time sharp on my Whatnot. You don't even have to buy anything or spend any money in order to win the giveaways. All right, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys follow me. Sometimes we even have surprise auctions where I don't even announce them. So you guys gotta stay tuned in. Make sure you guys follow the account right in the description box below, and I'll catch you guys on Friday. Peace.
All right, man. I'm in kind of a little buying mood myself. Everyone seems to be copping shoes. It's Friday. I'm a Drake fanboy, man. So I gotta copy a pair of these, man.
That's your size too?
BB, can you grab it? Size 9.5.
9.5. I guess my only one. Hey, and this one comes with the Drake children's
The little
book.
children's book too.
You gonna read that?
Shoot. No, obviously you can get a white pair of all white Force anytime, but I get the Drake. I love U Forces. I feel like quality is crazy, way better than like regular Forces. Like I'm gonna compare them when they come out. Like let's just compare like regular pair of Forces.
Oh man,
and these
it's
like
night and day.
Hey, you're copping them?
yeah, you know, I'm in the buying mood, man.
If my size was here, I'd definitely get them too.
And if you're in the mood to
They
ever
come
read
with
a little
the
bedtime story,
For real.
come with
Yeah, a little, what's this? What's this? This is like his favorite.
favorite childhood book as a kid.
I'll have Johnny read that to you tonight.
There you go.
Hey!
Here comes Santa Claus.
All right, man. I got some. Last year, I don't think I gave you guys gifts, man. They gave me a gift, and I felt kind of bad. You know, I don't.
Damn!
So this year, man, wanted to gift them with birthday sets. Shout out to CJ, our homie, man. But I wanted to.
Oh, this is from Internet Fabric.
Internet
baby.
Fabric,
Man.
man. As you can see, got the woven
Check them out,
fabric on
definitely.
the outer
Whoa.
right here.
Wow.
Some cool house slippers.
Shout out CJ, Internet Fabric. They basically took a Birkenstock and then flipped it with some different materials, kind of like that woven vibe right here. I like that even on the inside, it is still the like canvas material.
Yeah.
The woven
Yeah.
isn't touching your like foot, you know?
Yep.
Speaking of gifts as well,
Hey.
got you guys some gifts. All right, so here you guys go. We got this is for Johnny. Just wait for a second, you know what I mean? You know, I feel like these guys,
Oh, this is
you know, we had a good year and
I feel like you,
everything,
even,
and
like, you individually wrapped it to our personalities.
literally was rushing out the house, and I pulled out the bag and
You
everything.
know, Johnny, he find meaning everything.
Go ahead, go.
I do.
Oh, all I seen was an Apple logo. Oh,
Okay.
bro.
All right.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Oh my.
You did.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Dude.
Hey.
Okay, Richie, let me give you guys a little bit of story, a little context behind this gift. I feel like Richie always calls me out
I do.
on my old ass 2011 MacBook Air.
There's times we're looking at clothing samples, and he'll be like, "Hey, I gotta send it to your computer because my color's not really right," you know?
Yo,
So,
let's just say I need to update every day.
definitely, man.
Thank you,
You
bro.
think
Thank
about it,
you. Oh
it's
my
been 10 years
gosh,
since technology has changed, and the amount of clothes and swatches you guys see, it gotta be on point, man. So
Yeah,
Richie,
hey, you gotta take that little MacBook Air you have and fling that thing over like a little frisbee,
Thank you,
basically.
Rich.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the new
Rich.
Woo!
A lot of y'all don't know I don't really put my phone out there in public, but I still got an iPhone X. So it's been a long time, man.
Damn.
I asked. I was like,
It's
what
about
iPhone
4
are you on?
years,
Yeah,
4 or 5 years, man. Rich.
Thank
this
you,
is
Rich.
Huge,
Wow,
yeah,
bro.
for sure. Here, Gabe, here's yours. I'll flip the camera. Hey,
we all get that,
we
bro.
get iPhone,
You know what's
man.
crazy is
Man.
I was actually going to buy another one. Like I was gonna buy a new phone.
It's time.
just
You
recently.
needed one.
Yeah,
I was
that
just
one.
about to.
That
I was-
one just dropped, the 14.
Bro, thank you so much, man.
For sure, man.
Thinking about it too. Really appreciate it.
All right, Merry Christmas,
My
guys.
goodness. The real Santa Claus. I'm just the elf. Mike. Man, thank you, man.
You're the
For
best
sure,
elf.
for sure. All right. Special delivery.
Hey-o. I was just gonna get started on lunch too, but I'm gonna have
Finally
to wait. All right,
Finally
all right.
came in. I know a
we
lot
got?
of you guys were saying I'm gonna flip flop on these after the release.
Got an early pair, a couple of early pairs, one for the store, and then a personal pair for each of us. All right.
How much you end up
Bam. End up paying like $4.30. 8.5.
You know, it's one thing to do a review. I think that pair was a 11 and a half or
Yeah.
something like that. But to see your size, it's a little different, you know?
I feel you. So here they are. Boom. These are going straight to feet, man. Straight
Really?
to feet for me.
All right, so we got the reimagined white cement 3s right here.
When we were doing the video, obviously you're talking about like the shape and just kind of
being
like
too flat and whatnot, and being like literally a carbon copy of the 88s.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people are like, what do you mean by looking too retro? And literally, if you do a side-by-side photo, that's what I meant.
it's
like,
crazy.
I'm just not used to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I was gonna say you're so used to kind of the new modern shape
Yeah.
of the Jordan 3. I'm all for this shape right here. I'm all for going back to the original cut. Richie the tie, he probably put some cement laces in his, but oh man, butter.
Not sold yet. I'm not sold yet.
Bruh. With the ROC nylon cargos too. Just gotta let them see a little bit of the Nike Air. Dang.
Pretty clean, pretty clean.
Look here,
I wouldn't
man.
go as far as to say sneaker of the year yet.
Top 3 at least, top 5? Because you see all the releases coming out 2023, and I don't see
They're clean.
another shoe that's really going to top these right here.
I'll wait to give my thoughts. You know, I want to wear them a couple times. You
Yeah.
know, a lot of people are like, "Hey, you give your opinion way too early." I
That's
want
true.
to respect
That's
that.
true.
But yeah, reimagined white cement 3s. Shout out to Tan for getting the early pair. And then also a lot of people have been buying up the tribute merch.
yep.
Make sure you guys check out the website. We got a few sizes left.
Yes, sir.
It's running out, but yeah, definitely. I rock your size medium, true to size. You rock a medium or
Medium as
large?
well, yep.
Okay, medium. So yeah, the tribute merch is going, and we got some new stuff dropping as well. We also have the Richie Le collection breakdown video coming out next week, so stay tuned for that. All new
sir.
pieces and everything, but yeah. Reimagine white cement 3s. You know, I'm gonna have to try them out a little bit more.